Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to install Java on Ubuntu 24.04. We will cover both OpenJDK and Oracle JDK so that you can choose the best one for your needs. Before we start, let's quickly understand the difference between these two. OpenJDK stands for Open Java Development Kit. This is free and open source version of Java. It is widely used and maintained by Java community. It is the default choice for most Linux distributions. Oracle JDK is the Oracle official Java distribution, which includes additional performance optimizations and commercial features. It is often required for the enterprise applications. Now we know the difference. Let's get started. The first step is to install all the available updates. For that, log into your Ubuntu system, open the terminal, run the command sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -y. Hit enter. This command will take 3 to 4 minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once all the updates are installed, then we will move to the OpenJDK installation. OpenJDK package and its dependencies are available in the default package repositories of Ubuntu 24.04. So its installation is straightforward. Let me clear the screen first and run the command sudo space apt space install space default -jdk space -y. So this command will install OpenJDK 21 LTS, which is officially supported version for Ubuntu 24.04. Hit enter. After the installation, verify the Java version with the command java space hyphen version. In the output, we can clearly see we have installed OpenJDK 21. In case you want to install specific version of Java, let's say Java 11 or Java 17 or Java 21. For that, you need to run the command sudo apt install OpenJDK hyphen. Let's say I want to install Java 11, then type here 11, then hyphen JDK hyphen y. So this command will install Java 11. If you want to install Java 17, in place of 11, type 17, and for 21, in place of 17, type 21. Let's assume I want to install Java 11 as well. So run this command, hit enter. If you need to install Oracle JDK, then first we need to download its Debian package from Oracle website. In Google, search download Oracle Java, hit enter. Go to its official website. So at the time of creating this video tutorial, we have Java 23. Look for the Debian package. Click on this URL. It will start downloading the Debian package in your downloads folder. Once the download is completed, go back to your terminal, go to the downloads folder, and if you do ls here, you will get this Debian package. In order to install this Oracle JDK, we need to run the command sudo apt install /jdk. Hit enter. Now, if you run the command java space hyphen version, you should see Java version 23. Great. The output confirms that we have installed Java 23, which is Oracle JDK. As you know, we have installed multiple Java versions on our Ubuntu system. Now we will see how to configure the default Java version. For that, we can run the command update hyphen alternatives command. Complete command would be sudo space update hyphen alternatives space hyphen hyphen config space Java and hit enter. Let's suppose I want to set this Java 21 as my default Java. For that, select the number. So for Java 21, we need to select numeric 2 and hit enter. And if you rerun the Java version command, you should see that default Java version is OpenJDK 21. Next, set a Java underscore home environment variable. In order to set this environment variable, first we need to find Java installation path. If you see the output of update alternatives space hyphen hyphen config Java command output, you will see the path of different Javas. So for 21, this would be the installation path. So copy this path till AMD64. Next, edit the file /etc/environment. Define a variable Java underscore home equals to and paste that installation path you have just copied. Now save this file. In order to make the changes into the effect, we need to source this file. Run the command source space /etc/environment. Verify that Java underscore home is set correctly or not. You can run the command echo space $Java underscore home. Great. Output confirms that we have our environment variable Java underscore home whose value is this one. Before compiling any Java program, make sure both Java and Java compilers are pointing to the same Java version. In order to change the Java compiler version, let's run this command again. Use javac and hit enter. Type 2 here and hit enter. Now that Java is installed, let's write a sample Java program to test our setup. Create a file with the name HelloWorld.java. Paste the sample code, save and close the file. Now compile this program using the command javac HelloWorld.java. Now run the program with the command java space hello world. Great. Our program is executed successfully. I can see the output. That's it. You have successfully installed Java on your Ubuntu 24.04 and you have tested a sample Hello World program. Now you are ready to start developing Java applications. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Linux tutorials. Let us know in the comments which Java version you are using. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.